हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। फिजिक्स में थ्योरी समझने में जो डिफिकल्टी होता है उसे दूर करेंगे और न्यूमेरिकल्स कैसे इजीली सॉल्व करेंगे उसे बताएंगे। आज लेक्चर नंबर 19 में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी ड्यू टू ए यूनिफॉर्मली चार्ज थिन स्फेरिकल सेल। ठीक है, ओके। सो थिन स्फेरिकल सेल also called as hollow sphere. It is given that the thin spherical cell is uniformly charged. ठीक है, so this is a thin spherical cell. This thin spherical cell is positively charged. This is uniformly charged. ठीक है, this positive sign shows the uniform charge distribution of the charge. ठीक है, so we are interested to calculate electric field intensity outside the sphere, on the surface of the sphere, or inside the sphere. ठीक है, so let us consider a thin spherical cell, that means hollow sphere with r as radius. When a positive charge is given to the sphere, it is uniformly distributed throughout the surface of the sphere. ठीक है, so we are interested to calculate electric field intensity outside the sphere, on the sphere, inside the sphere. ठीक है, so फर्स्ट हम लोग कैलकुलेशन करेंगे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी आउटसाइड द सरफेस ऑफ द आउटसाइड द स्फेरिकल सेल. ठीक है, सो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी एट ए पॉइंट आउटसाइड द स्फेरिकल सेल. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द गिवन स्फेरिकल सेल which is uniformly charged. This is positive charge is given to this sphere. So r is the radius of the sphere. ठीक है, so now we'll select a point outside the sphere. Let this is the observation point P, and this point P is at a distance r from the center of the sphere. So this is the center of the sphere. This is the observation point, and this observation point is at a distance r from the center of the sphere. ठीक है, now taking this distance as the radius and O as the center, we'll draw this Gaussian surface, that is Gaussian sphere. ठीक है, so this is the Gaussian surface. Now select a small area element at P. ठीक है, so this is the small area element. So normal to this area element is ds vector. ठीक है, so ds vector is the normal to this small area element. Now this electric field E vector, this is acting radially outward because due to this charge which is present inside the Gaussian surface. So the direction of electric field intensity is along in this direction. ठीक है, now here the observation point P is at outside the spherical cell. Let r equal to distance of the observation point from center of the sphere O such that small r is greater than capital R. ठीक है, now draw a Gaussian surface, that is Gaussian sphere with distance r as the radius and O as the center. ठीक है, select a small area element at P such that ds vector is normal to the area element. ठीक है, अभी हम लोग गॉस थ्योरम अप्लाई करेंगे. ठीक है, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू गॉस थ्योरम, क्लोज सरफेस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ई वेक्टर डॉट ds वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू 1/ε0 टाइम्स ऑफ टोटल चार्ज एनक्लोज्ड बाय द सरफेस. सो हम लोग फर्स्ट टोटल चार्ज एनक्लोज्ड बाय द सरफेस निकालेंगे. ठीक है, सो टोटल चार्ज एनक्लोज्ड by the surface equal to q because the Gaussian sphere is enclosing this charge q. See here in this figure, this is the Gaussian surface. ठीक है, this is the Gaussian surface. This Gaussian surface का inside में this charge q present है. That means this surface encloses this charge this. ठीक है, okay. Therefore closed surface integration of E vector dot ds vector is equal to 1/ε0 times of q. ठीक है, therefore क्लोज हम लोग को पता है कि डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर दैट इज ई वेक्टर डॉट ds वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू ई ds cos थीटा. सो क्लोज सरफेस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ई ds cos थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1/ε0 times of q. ठीक है. हियर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 0 डिग्री as the direction of E vector and the direction of ds vector are acting along same direction, because ds vector is the normal to the area element and the direction of E vector is radially acting outward direction. ठीक है. Therefore, so theta is equal to 0, that means cos 0 is equal to 1. So closed surface integration of EDS is equal to q by epsilon 0. Since E electric field intensity E is same at all points on the surface of the Gaussian sphere, because all the points on the surface are at a same distance from the O, that is center. Therefore, E is taken as constant. ठीक है. So E को constant लेंगे तो इसको इंटीग्रेशन से बाहर ले लेंगे. ठीक है. Therefore, E closed surface integration of ds is equal to q by epsilon 0. ठीक है. But closed surface integration of ds is equal to surface area of the Gaussian sphere. So surface area of Gaussian sphere will be 4 pi into radius square. Here radius is smaller, therefore 4 pi into r square. So putting this value, we will get E into 4 pi r square is equal to q by epsilon 0. From this, we will get E, that is electric field intensity, is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon 0 r square. ठीक है. Therefore, this is same as the electric field due to a point charge at a point which is lying at a distance r from the charge. Thus, the whole charge is appear to be concentrated at the center of the cell. ठीक है. ओके. अभी इसको हम लोग वेक्टर फॉर्म में लिखेंगे. So in vector form, E vector is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon 0 r square dot r cap. ठीक है. What is r cap? R cap is the unit vector which is acting radially outward. ठीक है. ओके. अभी हम लोग निकालेंगे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी एट ए पॉइंट ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द सेल. ठीक है. सो दिस इज द गिवन स्फेरिकल सेल which is uniformly charged. R is the radius of the cell. Now, our observation point is on the surface of the sphere. ठीक है. So, here P is the observation point, O is the center. So, from this center, this observation point is at a distance R. ठीक है. Therefore, now we will select one area element at P. ठीक है. So, the ds vector is the normal to this area element. ठीक है. And the electric field intensity is acting along this direction, that is radially outward. ठीक है. Okay. So let r is equal to distance of the point P from O of the sphere. Here the radius of the Gaussian sphere is equal to actual radius of the sphere. So radius of the Gaussian sphere is smaller. Radius of the sphere is capital R. This R is the actual radius. So small r is equal to capital R. ठीक है. Putting r is equal to capital R, we get E is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon 0 r square. ठीक है. Now हम सबको पता है सिग्मा is equal to surface charge density. So, charge per unit area, that is charge given to the sphere to the surface area of the sphere. ठीक है. So, charge given to the sphere is q and surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Here, r is the actual radius of the spherical shell. ठीक है. From this relation, we will get q is equal to sigma times of 4 pi r square. ठीक है. हम सबको पता है E is equal to q by 4 pi epsilon 0 r square. So putting the value of q, we will get that is q is equal to sigma times of 4 pi r square. So q is in place of q will write sigma times of 4 pi r square and divide by 4 pi epsilon 0 r square. R square cancel, 4 pi cancel. Then we will get electric field intensity E is equal to sigma by epsilon 0. ठीक है. So E is equal to sigma by epsilon 0 is the maximum value. ठीक है. अभी हम लोग देखेंगे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी इनसाइड ए स्पीयर, ठीक है, एट ए पॉइंट इनसाइड द स्पीयर. सी, दिस इज द गिवन स्पीयर which is uniformly charged. We are interested to find electric field intensity inside a sphere. Say this is the point, this is our observation point P, and this point is at a distance r from the center of the sphere. So this distance is r. ठीक है. So taking this distance as the radius and O as the center, we will draw this Gaussian surface. ठीक है. So this is the Gaussian surface, that is Gaussian sphere. This is the given sphere. ठीक है. And we'll select one area element at P. This is the area element. So normal to this area element is ds vector. ठीक है. And the electric field intensity at P is acting along in this direction. ठीक है. Okay. So let r is equal to distance of the point P from the center of the cell. Now observation point P is at a distance r from O such that small r less than capital R. Now draw a Gaussian surface, that is Gaussian sphere, with distance r as radius and O as the center. ठीक है. Okay. So according to Gauss theorem, closed surface integration of E vector dot ds vector is equal to 1 by epsilon 0 times of total charge enclosed by the surface. ठीक है. अभी हम लोग total charge enclosed by the surface निकालेंगे. Here the total charge enclosed by the surface will be 0 because the Gaussian surface is not enclosing any charge. See here, this is the Gaussian surface. ठीक है. This is the Gaussian surface, and outside the Gaussian surface this charge is uniformly distributed. So this Gaussian surface is not enclosing any charge. ठीक है. Therefore, since it is not enclosing any charge, total charge enclosed by the Gaussian surface is 0. ठीक है. Okay. So closed surface integration of E vector dot ds vector is equal to 1 by epsilon 0 times into 0, that is equal to 0. So closed surface integration of E ds cos theta is equal to 0. So after simplification we will get electric field intensity E is equal to 0 inside the sphere. Okay? ठीक है. अभी हम लोग वेरिएशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू आर हम लोग देखेंगे. हियर E is equal to electric field intensity, R is equal to distance of the point from the center of the spherical cell. ठीक है. So when small r less than capital R, here small r is the distance of the observation point from the center, capital R is the actual radius of the sphere. So when small r is less than r, that is inside the sphere. Inside the sphere, electric field intensity is equal to 0. ठीक है. So when small r is equal to capital R, that means on the surface of the sphere, at that case electric field intensity is maximum, that is sigma by epsilon 0. ठीक है. When small r is greater than capital R, that means observation point is outside the sphere. At that time electric field intensity is E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by r square. ठीक है. Here q is constant, 4 pi epsilon 0 is constant. So electric field intensity is inversely proportional to r square. ठीक है. So taking r along the x axis and E along the y axis, that means independent quantity along x axis and dependent quantity along y axis. So r is the independent quantity, E is the dependent quantity. ठीक है. For small r less than r, that means when the point is inside the sphere, at the time electric field intensity is 0. So it is shown by this line. At small r is equal to capital R, that means on the surface of the sphere electric field intensity is maximum. So this is the maximum point. So this is done. This is the maximum point. After this surface, that is when the point lies outside the surface, then this graph will be plotted like this, because E is inversely proportional to r square, that is E is directly proportional to 1 by r square. ठीक है, okay. Many board examiners are asking questions from here, like Central Board CBSE exam, state board examiner, CHSC examiner are asking questions from here. So एक find electric field due to a uniformly charged thin spherical shell, और एक एग्जाम में आया था यूजिंग गॉस थ्योरम डिराइव एन एक्सप्रेशन फॉर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी एट एनी पॉइंट इनसाइड ए होलो चार्ज कंडक्टिंग स्फीयर. ठीक है, अभी हम लोग नोट देखेंगे. नाउ द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी ऑफ यूनिफॉर्मली चार्ज होलो स्फीयर एट डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स, दैट मीन्स इनसाइड ए स्फीयर, on the surface of the sphere, outside the sphere, and the electric field intensity of uniformly charged conducting solid sphere are same. ठीक है, so electric field intensity of uniformly charged hollow sphere at different points and electric field intensity of uniformly charged conducting solid sphere at different points are same. ठीक है, अभी नोट नंबर 2 फॉर होलो स्फीयर. हियर हम लोग देखें अभी कि दिस इज यूनिफॉर्मली चार्ज्ड एंड इनसाइड द स्फीयर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी इज 0. ठीक है, सो व्हेन ए चार्ज पार्टिकल प्रेजेंट इनसाइड ए स्फेरिकल सेल देन इट विल नॉट एक्सपीरियंस एनी फोर्स, बिकॉज हम लोग को मालूम है F इज इक्वल टू क्यू ई एंड इनसाइड द स्फीयर E इज इक्वल टू 0, सो फोर्स इज 0. ठीक है, but outside the cell the charge particle will attracted or repelled due to the presence of E. Outside the cell, when a point, that observation point is outside the sphere, at that time electric field intensity is directly proportional to 1 by r square. So when the observation point is moving away, that means when distance is increasing from the center of the sphere, electric field intensity accordingly decreases. ठीक है, so due to presence of electric field intensity outside the sphere, the charge particle which present near this sphere experience force. That force may be attractive or it may be repulsive due to nature of the charge. ठीक है, ओके. मेरा वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और मेरा चैनल सौरभ क्लासेस को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.